Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Welcome to my messy kitchen. I've been very busy meal planning and prepping for the week ahead. You know, I'm all about that. It's so important to stay on track. Today I'm excited because I'm going to teach you guys how to make another crustless quiche recipe. All of them are so versatile. You can change things up if you don't have all the ingredients that I have. You know that. And this is going to be a chicken, sausage, and veggie quiche. How does that sound? Before I start, I just want to remind you to ring the bell option so you don't miss any of my latest videos. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and share my channel with everyone. Let's get everybody on a health kick. So, what are we going to need for this amazing quiche? All right. I've done a few things already, of course, to get it all set up so I don't take forever. In here is one big Vidalia onion. I love Vidalia onion. You can use red onion. You can just use a white onion. And I like to saute it because then it gives it lots of flavor with some fresh or canned mushroom slices, okay? Just for a few minutes till it gets nicely caramelized. Of course, for the chicken sausage, I have Lily Dale. You can use turkey sausage, whatever you want. And I've just cut them up and just browned them on all sides. And I've already cut up the veggies. And there's about 4 cups here of some broccoli, cauliflower, red, yellow, and orange peppers, some zucchini. Any vegetable that you like, you can add, of course. Okay, so that's versatile. And I also had some spinach in the fridge and I had some green peas in the freezer. So why not just add as much as you want? So I would say about 5 or 6 cups of veggies. That's not including the onions and mushrooms. So maybe about 7 cups. I don't know. Again, you don't have to put in as much. So we're going to start off by adding the egg. And I've also preheated my oven to 350 degrees. And I also have a big Pyrex 3-liter or so dish that I've sprayed already because we don't want stickage. So I have 6 extra large eggs that I'm going to add to my big purple bowl because I like a huge bowl. Get that out of the way. And I have 1 cup of egg whites. So that's 6 extra large eggs or large eggs. And I like to just whisk that up. Next, I'm going to be adding 2 cups of, you can use regular 1% skim milk, almond milk, whatever milk you want, 2 cups. Get that out of the way and then whisk that up. This is just so easy. And that's what I love. I love easy, simple recipes. Oh, let's make sure that's whisked really well. Now, of course, you know me, I'm about the flavor and I have lots of different things that I'm going to add. So in here is some chili flakes, salt, and pepper. And, you know, again, about, I just use like about a 1/4 teaspoon of some salt and about a teaspoon of some pepper. I might add a little bit more pepper if I think. I have some, and you can add as much chili flakes or no chili flakes. I like a little zip. In here is some Italian seasoning, and I love the roasted garlic and pepper Clubhouse seasoning. And some, and what else do I have in here? Oh, and some garlic plus seasoning. So about a teaspoon each or so. Again, it's versatile. I have some Worcester, about a tablespoon that I'm adding, okay? And I have some garlic that I've already minced, about 3 cloves, about a tablespoon or so. And then, of course, I'm going to whisk all that up. I like lots of flavor. And, of course, the veggies are going to give it flavor, and the sausage is going to give it flavor. So I'm just going to throw in my onions and mushrooms. You see, this is just so easy when it's already prepared. My spinach, my veggies, lots and lots, of course, more veggies. I had some leftovers from dinner last night, so I just added that in. And you're gonna see this is so great because, like, I mean, I always have my quiche with a salad, but you've got so many vegetables. I'm adding in the sausage now, and that's basically it. But then I like adding cheese on the side. Oh, my sausage is getting stuck inside my whisk. Okay, so just mix that all up. And that's basically it. Of course, I dropped the fork on the floor because, you know, I drop something all the time. All right. So just mix that up well. And I think that I'm going to add a little bit more pepper in here because I like the peppery. I added a bit too much pepper. Oh my God. Hey guys, I put in too much pepper. And I just added a half a cup of some breadcrumbs that will just hold everything together. Mix that all up. Make sure if you're pouring in your pepper that it's on the right side. Oh my goodness. Anyways, this looks amazing. I like adding my cheese on top, and I'll show you that in a second. I'm just going to pour that all in to my, and I'm adding it to my casserole dish. And now I'm just going to add the Saputo light mozzarella, about a cup's worth. Just to cover it up. And if you want to add the cheese inside, you can. And I like some of this low-fat Zerto cheese, and I'm going to add about a half a cup of that because it's very low fat. About 6 tablespoons is only, it's only about 100 calories. Let's just see. Yeah, 6 tablespoons and 110 calories or so. So that's it. I'm going to add it to my oven and I'll be back. Hey guys, just wanted to remind you that you should cook it for about 45 minutes or so. Check it. Make sure that it is solid. If it's gooey, then it's not ready. Okay. And it may take up to an hour or so. And I'll see you soon. Hey guys, I'm back and I just took the quiche out of the oven. I let it cook for a good hour. It's a very large quiche. I used a lot of veggies, so I want it cooked really well. And I just want to show you. It looks amazing, and I can't wait till it cools down before I cut it. I mean, of course, if you want to serve it right away, if you're having it for family, friends, guests, or just for yourself, and you can decide how big or how small you want to cut them. The slices, I usually get about 6 nice slices. I like them large, but you can even get about 8. And also a nice salad with it. You can have raw veggies and dip, and you can have barbecue veggies, grilled veggies, baked veggies, stir fry with it. But remember, there are tons of vegetables already in it. Have it with some sliced fruit. It's versatile, of course, whatever you decide. And it's also, you know, I mean, it's great breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner, even a snack before and after a workout option. Okay. I hope you love my recipe. Tell me what you think, if you changed it up, and don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Take care. Love you guys. Bye for now.